Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, May 15th, 2019. I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Just a little bit of a note. There will be no videos tomorrow, but we will be back on Friday, so don't worry about that. First of all, it's actually sunny out. The sun is out. Don't worry. That big, giant ball of fire in the sky is supposed to be there. We actually see the sun this morning. Clear skies throughout much of the region. We do have some cloud cover off towards southeastern Long Island and parts of Connecticut with a few isolated showers. And that's going to be a theme as we move on through the day as a trough rotates through the region. But overall, it's a really nice morning out there. Temperatures ranging from the upper 30s to mid 40s with winds from the west-northwest around 5 to 10 miles per hour. Visibility generally is around 10 miles, so pretty nice weekend. Not weekend, but pretty nice morning for the most part. We're going to take a look at the latest satellite picture. You can see a lot of cloud cover off to our northeast. Now we're going to see this trough here rotate through, and that trough is going to produce a few isolated showers. Most locations will remain dry with some scattered to broken cloud cover, some sunshine. However, if you get hit with one of these showers, they will be capable of some very heavy downpours and possibly even a little bit of hail. So we'll have to watch out for that for this afternoon, let's say from about 2 to 6 p.m. These showers, again, will be very much isolated, but they will be capable of producing some localized urban flooding and some poor visibility. So just be on guard at that potential as we move on through the afternoon hours, especially with the Yankees having a doubleheader for today. You could actually get a bit of a delay with some of those showers, or they could miss Yankee Stadium completely, and the whole day features 2 wins for the Yankees and tranquil weather conditions. So we'll see. So let's dive into this forecast. For today, that trough moves through. Again, watch out for a few isolated showers. Temperatures rising into the lower to mid 60s on the immediate coast, mid to upper 60s everywhere else. For tonight, look for scattered cloud cover with a few isolated showers possible with a passing cold front. Look for lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s. For tomorrow afternoon, an isolated shower is possible, otherwise scattered cloud cover, highs in the mid to upper 60s. Could be a few lower 70s down towards southern New Jersey. On Friday, a warm front will move through in the morning, a cold front will follow in the afternoon, and that means a threat for scattered showers throughout the day. Not a washout, but some of these showers will be capable of heavy downpours. Temperatures on Friday will range from the upper 40s to lower 50s for lows. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid 60s on Long Island, upper 60s to mid 70s everywhere else, especially to the south and west of this warm front. By the time we get to the afternoon hours, it should be somewhere right around here. So by that point, most of the region will be warming up very nicely for a very nice day. Now, Saturday, because I know everyone's been asking me about the weekend, because the past couple of weekends have been less than favorable for outdoor activities. This weekend will be absolutely beautiful. Now, the morning will feature an isolated shower or two, but other than that, the rest of the day on Saturday will feature clear skies with lows in the mid 50s and highs in the upper 60s to mid 70s. Now, on Sunday, it gets even better. High pressure will be in control with scattered cloud cover. Look for lows in the upper 50s. Highs will range from the upper 60s to mid 70s on Long Island, upper 70s to mid 80s everywhere else. The best potential of seeing mid 80s will be down towards the Delaware River Valley, basically around Philadelphia and the southern suburbs of Philadelphia. So definitely a very nice weekend is on the way. You can go out, get a tan, do whatever you want to do, go to a baseball game. One thing's for sure, we will not be seeing widespread heavy rainfall. On Monday, though, this warm front will be approaching the region with scattered showers. Look for lows in the mid-60s, highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s. On Tuesday, a cold front will follow with additional showers. Look for lows in the upper 40s to lower 50s. Highs will depend on where exactly this low pressure system tracks. So look at temperatures ranging from the upper 60s to mid 70s on the immediate coast, upper 70s to lower 80s everywhere else. And then on Wednesday, we're going to have to watch this stationary front very carefully, not only for Wednesday, but for the rest of this upcoming week, as the position of this frontal boundary will basically tell us whether or not we get influence from a marine air mass or from a more tropical air mass from the Gulf Coast. If this stationary front is to the north of the region, well, then we're talking about temperatures pushing into the 70s and 80s. If it stays to the south, then we're pretty much back in the 50s and 60s. So a bit of a uncertainty there for the middle and end of next week with a lot of what we call volatility in the forecast. So we're definitely going to keep an eye on that. One thing is for sure, I know you're not going to like to hear this, but this stationary front will keep the threat for scattered to isolated showers in the forecast each day, and you could easily end up in this type of weather pattern from next Wednesday on, where, let's say, New York City is stuck in, let's say, upper 50s to lower 60s, and Philadelphia is around 85. Easily, that setup could evolve for next week. So we're going to watch that very carefully. That is your forecast discussion for today. Thank you for following NY and JPA Weather, and as always, stay safe out there.